We got a wig to try.
It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
Hey y'all, today I'm reviewing V-Show's curly hair. Inside is their hair care card, a wig cap, lace band, hair pick, and some lashes. I loved the sizing of this wig. So on this install, I used Touch by Misty's lace glue and spray, and True Match Conceal Lace Tint. Going in, cleaning my hairline, and then I'm gonna follow her instructions.
You can go ahead and apply the glue. As so, make sure you're doing thin layers and make sure it's on top of the area that you put the skin protectant on. As you can see, I'm spreading it evenly.
I believe I used like up to 4 layers. Let it get clear just like that. Hey, let that glue dry. Hey, let that glue dry. Once our glue is dry, go ahead and slap that lace on her. And no, I don't use wig caps. They're a waste of time. I like to comb or brush my lace and the hair into the glue just to make sure it sticks for real. That band for an hour. Make sure you get in the shower. Don't get in the shower after your wig because it's gonna come off. Don't want it come off. Don't want it come off. Don't want it lock off. Y'all, you can't do it. Girl, she be making songs off the dub. Like, that's creativity right there, boo. This band is tea. Too bad it's gonna be y'all stretched out by the time I get my hands on it, boo. He won't stand a chance. Oh, I ain't put on a wig in so long. I forgot to cut the ear tabs off. I'm like, what's this extra? Like, what's this extra? Wait, like low key, this is like my hair, like low key. Cutting off the back of my lace because sometimes I be forgetting about that little piece back there.
But fuck with your man and I'm making him nut. I cuss them all and they call it.
It's been an hour. What is it looking like, chat? Make sure whenever you're cutting your lace with an eyebrow razor, you're cutting downward. This is the lace so far with fresh cut, nothing on it, and we finna tweak it. So I sprayed the True Match Conceal on this brush, and I'm just gonna go then I'm gonna tie that jump back down. I just want to show y'all up close and personal. You know. Girl, fine bet on me. I'm gonna go and pluck a little more like on the sides, you know, so it don't look so wig. Okay, let's not do that no more. So I just took my band off, and I think I might go in with another round of the spray, but the test is to see the pull test. You ready? I mean, she ain't moving. Ahead and switch lights so I could see where that yellow tint is at. Different lighting helps you see, like, you know, different shades of things. And I'm gonna start behind the initial part of my lace, okay? We're gonna start behind. Also, pulling my hair like this always helps me like see where I may need to pluck more, but I feel like we eat so far. So as y'all can see, I'm all greased up. I just got out the shower and I just came from the gym. Wig is still very much intact, girl. So Touch by Misty lace glue, 10 out of 10. Let's get into styling this wig and finally in this video. Quick intermission. So right here, y'all see where it's like bulky? I'm gonna pluck that some more. So here I'm cutting my edges and then I'm gonna end up curling them. I'm gonna be real with y'all, I'm really not that great at doing edges, but I'm still learning. I feel like every time I get a new wig, I try. So y'all, here is the finished product. I low-key liked it more without the edges, but you know. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.